Hollow Ridges. Enumerate. Weekdays. 2000. Here we go! Finally! It's happening! Game 7. We decided to play our Game 7 in Hollow Ridge. So this match is against Doy, Andrew, the winners. My teammate Mikey. Bawi tayo. Okay, Game 7. Here we go. Babawi kami. Well, susubok. Okay, starting the hole. Sa 10th hole, 399 yards. So, straight. Shout out sa aming mga caddy. Ate Ami. Ami ba? Hello. Ang aming mga caddy. Ang kakampi ko pala ngayon si Ate Virgie. Oh, Ate Virgie, ikaw magbibideo para sa amin ha. 2-man scramble format natin. Kami magkampi. Okay. Si Heidi. Tama ba? Heidi. Heidi and si Diesel. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Huh? Diesel. hindi premium. Kanan pa rin. Yun nga, sa pating nagkakatalo eh. Okay, let's do this, brother. Good luck. Good luck, brother. Good luck, brother. Ngayon naglabasan yung trash talk ng Game 7. Nung una mababait pa. Yun! Ayan na, Mikey, patting ha, patting. Good shot, brother. Let's do this. Bawi tayo, brother. Let's do this. Let's go! Mimo sa boys! Naging Hollow Ridge. Let's go, Game 7. Andrew and Doy's second shot. Mga around 185 siguro to the flag. Hindi yung pababa. Uy, sumama. 4. Full 4. Okay, for our second shot, we are left with 160 yards to the flag. Since basa, I might use first a 7 iron. Ganda, Mikey! Go! Huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Okay lang.
Nice one.
Thank you. Doy and Andrew second shot, 130 yards.
Nice shot, Doy.
Go.
Yes, sir.
Short. Olympics. Yan ang patong. Bunker mo na. Good shot, brother. Good shot. Our 14 paces for birdie. Doon daw kami. Okay. Kami yata. Okay, 14 paces for birdie. Andrew and Doy are putting for par. Ulang pa. Bilis talaga, oh. Lakas pa nga yata.
Ah, laki.
Bilis pa rin talaga.
Malaki.
Dito magkataka dinagdag ako. Pero okay, Andrew and Doy putting for par. This will force us to make our putt. Wow, ang ganda! Ganda!
Let's go!
Muntik na naman kami doon! Okay, good. That's good. Okay, Mikey, mas make tayo to go one up. Nice spot. Left inside. Oo nga, wala masyadong bali ito. Kala ko pasok ba? Hindi, malakas lang. Slightly, strong eh. Pero wala naman chance kung short. Spot to go one up. They are in for bogey. kami for par. 1 up! 1 up, baby! Okay, relax lang. Eh, ganyan din naman nangyari last time. Ganyan din nangyari last time. Nice putt, Mikey. What a putt again by Mikey. So now we are currently 1 up. So bogey par. So hole 11, 402 yards. Hole number 11. Diretso lang.
Sayang yung takbo. Oo nga eh. Ano, all square lang sa... Oo. Nice shot.
Curl. Turn. Okay lang. Safe yan.
Safe yan.
Safe yan.
Ganda mga palo ni Mikey.
Nice shot, Mikey. Nag-secret practice yan eh.
Oo nga eh. Hindi ko na sinasabi sa inyo. Saka nagka-distance, bro.
Kaya hindi siya nagre-reply sa atin.
Nasa range na pala kanina.
May simulator na pala sa bahay.
Ganda.
Ganda rin.
Doy. Ganda ng pwesto niyan. Thick left.
Good shot.
Yes. Nice shot, Doy.
Mukhang intense nga ang game 7 ah. Napuno lang talaga sila sa first hole eh.
Nice shot, brother.
Good shot.
Grabe. It's right. Ay! Start putt mo tapos sa OB.
We are taking my tee shot. We are left with 130 yards to the flag kasi front pin lang. Considering hitting a 50-degree wedge or my pitching wedge. Let's go, Mikey. Hindi ko maliwa.
Yan.
Doy and Andrew's tee shot. 130 yards. Short pin.
Kick lang.
Parang nag... Hindi rin kumaliwa. Hirap ng putt namin. Okay, Doy and Andrew. Third shot. I think they have an easier. Kailangan talaga dito iwan mo. Uphill dapat. Uphill putt. Pumasok pa! Good shot, Doy. Okay, for birdie. Napakahirap na naman na putt. Downhill, side hill. Ganda yan.
Yan.
Lalagpas pa rin, oh.
Kanan.
Pasok! Birdie! Ow! Good putt. Malakas din yata.
Yan. Oh,
Bilis talaga.
bilis.
Go. Uy!
Diretso.
Diretso. Diretso.
Yan.
To half the hole. At all square talaga. For par. To win the hole. Uy.
Hirap, side hill.
That's good, brother.
Nice, Doy.
Nice putt. Okay, back to all square. Nice putt. That was an unfortunate 3-putt for Mikey and I. So na all square nila. They got that hole. They made par, we made bogey. So hole number 12, playing 155 yards. I might hit a 9-iron.
Ganda.
Ayan, nagpakitang gilas. Hole in one nga ata ah. Uy, short. Short. Parang may patong yan. Ayan, pa-experience sa kanila yung long putt. Hindi nag-fade. Uy, sobra! Bro!
Yes.
Ay, short din. We're just outside of the green sa right. Sila Drew and Doy are putting for birdie. So we need to hit this close. Gano'n kalaki sa kanan? Dalawang cup sa kanan. Sakto yan.
Sige, sige.
Maganda yun, Mikey. Good shot, brother. Happy na ako dun. Maganda na yun.
Mirror.
Bakit pala nun? Okay, Andrew and Doy to win the hole, to go 1 up for birdie.
Ganda, brother.
Ganun pa rin, Drew.
Ha?
Wala na. Doy to win the hole. Pangalawa na yun. Brother, thank you Ay, buti na lang. Buti kanina malakas ngayon short. Okay, must make, Mikey. To half the hole. Good putt. Okay, hole halved. On to hole number 13, first par 5 of the round. 473 yards. Dog leg left. Okay lang, basta safe. Okay na yan. Good shot, Mikey. Parang gusto niya mag-draw na ayaw. No? Nakikita mo yung bola parang ano.
Ayun.
Kumukontra.
Parang same spot nung kay Mikey. Parang dun ka lang naka-aim doon.
Lahat kanan Sana hindi ako FOMO.
Kanan din.
For right! Nice shot. Pinanggigilan ko talaga. Need to take our medicine. Parehas kaming nag-slice ni Mikey.
Sorry. Ay, wala.
Ayun.
Ayan, fairway. Tama na, huwag na cart putt. Ayan, okay lang.
Bumalik. Over mo. Okay.
Taking my second shot, napuno kami. Playing 200. 15 yards to the flag. Fairway mo lang. Okay na yan. Basta fairway. Andrew with Doy's third shot. So if ever there will be for regulation.
Shot, boys.
Short.
Go.
Good shot, Doy. We need to hit it close to go up and down for a par.
You need to make it.
Yeah nga Ganun na nga. 90 yards. Hitting a 60-degree wedge. Behind lang.
Take left.
Kanan.
Abot yun.
Oh, sakto ka, no? Good shot, Mikey.
Go.
Kalawa.
Doy and Andrew have the spot for birdie to go 1 up. Kami, we need to make this for par. Dasalan mo na, Heidi. Mag-shoot ba sila? Hindi. Tayo shoot. Yan. Okay. Mahina pa yun. That's good, brother.
Parang tama yung right edge doon. Oo. Come on. Ay, lakas.
Hindi pa give yung kay Drew,
Oo. Yung keep on right.
Okay, we have this putt to half the hole. Mahirap na putt. Side hill. Pwede mo dagdagan? Laging may dagdag dito eh.
Naman yun.
Lakas, napitik.
Malakas lang.
Napitik.
Malakas lang.
Sobra. Hindi ko nga sinabing
malakas lang,
firm
ha?
sa'yo kanina.
Malakas lang.
Pwede.
Yun!
Yeah, baby!
Sabi sa'yo, natuto ka sa hirap ko eh.
Ayun.
Okay. Clutch putt. Okay, hole halved.
Yeah, lupit pa.
Alright, hole 14. Both teams still 1 over. Pero sa match play namin, Both ano pa rin, all square. So ito yung pinag-usapan namin. Hole 14 dog leg right. Sana wala sa harap yung pin. Playing 380. Parang no? Ay oo, harap nga. Good shot, Mikey. Kanan pa rin. Stop turning. Or more. Sige, more. Pumasok. Okay, play second shot. We're taking Mikey's. I think mine went to the woods. 185 to the flag. Might just hit the 7 iron para short lang. Ganda, Mikey. Perfect. Okay na yan. Maganda na yan, Mikey. Nice shot. Nice shot, brother.
On. Kanan lang.
Ay, 8 lang. Tingnan natin pala. Andrew and Doy around 100 yards.
Go.
Okay lang yan. Mas maganda short. Okay lang yan. Maganda yan. Maganda yan. Perfect yun. Perfect. Perfect para sa amin. Ganda.
Go!
Short din?
Short din.
Sobrang short naman nun. Ano to, right to left? Ate Vanji? Right to left. Tama na mga tirang 20, no? Kabig. Okay lang yan.
Yan. Palo mo. Pasok.
Okay, Doy and Andrew for birdie as well. Go up and down for par. Yan, maganda. Baba mo pa, sige. Atras. Please. Grabe yung putt natin. At least sa kanila uphill. Naku. Swerte pa yung putt na ganyan eh. Ganda rin. Mas maganda pa. Baba mo rin.
Okay.
Nice shot. Naririnig yun yung mga walang kwentang kaibigan. Gano'n kalaki sa kaliwa bigay nyo? Until 12 o'clock, babalik. Left inside? Hati-hati. Left inside.
Okay lang yun, Heidi.
Kailangan lang naman ma-shoot sa butas, Mike. Di mo talaga mapipigil. Ay, laylay masyado. Ate.
Mas malayo pa.
Tinapakan ko ng konti.
Advantage ba tayo, brother?
Yes.
Oh, for
Pag
the
na-shoot
for-
natin to, one up tayo, one up.
Pasok.
Babalik. Tapos hindi bumabalik pag ano nabag sa butas eh.
Ay, may backspin. Oh, wala pa yun ha. Hindi namin ginip.
Double.
Maghanap ka na rin ng kaibigan.
Pasok.
Kala ko short ulit eh. Good putt, brother. Good putt. Okay, they are now currently one up with that par. Playing 180 yards. Hole 15.
Come on.
Okay.
Ganda yan, boy.
Parang bunker.
Kick right. Ay,
Oh.
bunker.
Bunker. Ang ganda rin yata yan.
Bro.
Kakampi mo nga siya. Malakas hangin. Shake mo lang. Okay.
Nice layup.
Fair ba yan? Okay na yan?
Behind. Ay, ganda. Ay, shot, brother.
Too much draw yata.
Sobra.
Ay, ganun din. GR din. Buti lang GR.
Hindi, akala ko iba. Akala ko hindi. Diba hindi?
20 yards to the flag. Downhill, mabilis. Left to right. Both teams are chipped outside of the green. Both chipping for birdie. Ganda yan, Mikey. Ah, go, go, go.
Sige,
Baba.
Sige, sige.
Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Good shot, Mikey. Doon nga pumunta sa ano, sa itim. Doy and Andrew. Second shot for birdie also. Malakas yata yan. Oh, grabe naman yun! Ay, muntik na naman sumut. Muntik sumut na naman si Doy. Uy, galing! Nag-bite! Hindi, kanan, Mikey.
Meron ko kanan.
Mga isa't kalahating bola. Tama. Ay, hindi bumali. Right inside na?
Diretso sa ano.
Diretso?
Go brother, diretso na galing. Sige mo talaga dito.
Ay, tayo.
Okay, Andrew and Doy. Ito na naman tayo. Unang butas lang tayo magaling. Okay, to go, 2 up.
Yes.
Nice putt. Nice putt. Good par, good par. Okay, hole number 16. Good putt by Andrew. 337 yards. We are currently 2 down. Diretso.
Pulot natin din sa
Isang bola lang to.
Doy.
May isa, yung pinalo ko dito puti, di ba?
Oh, wag ka katatama.
Na kay Heidi?
Nako, yun.
Ganda. Gitnang gitna. Good shot, Drew. Good shot, brother.
Pero pag natatalo, inom ako ng inom.
Pati yung palo mo, wet look, Mikey. Ah.
May nervous eh.
At
Ganda naman, grabe naman yan. Ganda, power fake.
Andrew's second shot. Ha? Pababa. 70. So tirang 55? Mga tirang 50. Isang club sa kaliwa. Hindi na ako magmagaling sa basa mamaya, Mikey. Ha? Sila na pagbasahin natin. Mali-mali basa ko eh. Okay lang, kanan lang. Pero patong yan. Good shot, Mikey. Parang ang bilis nga, ano? Matalbog pa. Naku, nailalim. Sorry, Mikey. Doy and Andrews. Third shot for birdie. Just outside of the green. Good shot. Ano? Good shot, good shot. Yung sand na inayos ko.
Edge, kanan, kaliwa.
Sige, edge.
Kanan.
Kanan.
Ganun kalaki.
Tapos firm, ano? Uphill.
Yun, pasok mo na. Inside mo na.
Kuha! Ay! Hindi pala ganun kalaki. No?
Ang laki yun sa'yo.
Andrew and Doy must make to stay 2 up. Nakuha! Grabe yun, nabubuhay na lang kami sa lip out. Maganda rin, nakuha rin, nakuha. Yun, bumali. Thank you, thank you. Okay, okay. 1 down. 1 down, 1 down. Maganda ang game 7 na to. Maganda tong game 7. Right, hole 17. We were able to bring it down to 1 up na lang sila. So hole 17, 370 yards. Dog leg left. Kailangan dito draw bola eh. We'll see. Safe mo lang. Safe mo lang. Ipuno mo. Magsama kayo ni Mikey dun. Ay, nag-bleed din sa right. Delix.
Pwede lumusot. Ayun, lumusot. Yun, lumabas.
Wala ako narinig tumama. My tee shot, it's 130 to the flag. Downhill, slightly against the wind. Hitting a 50-degree wedge. Kailangan namin to, sana hopefully maano namin. We get this hole so that we're back to all square. Kanan pa. Okay lang.
Ano ba yan?
Tama na. Okay lang, brother. Kick right. Kick right.
Hindi mo tumama saan.
Dorian Andrews third shot. Huwag mo na idikit. Grabe naman yun! Clutch naman, clutch! Yun. Yan oh, ganda rin oh. Mas maganda pa. Mabilis lang talaga. Grabe tong mga to. Ayaw magpatalo. No one is giving an inch. Okay, let's go. We have this putt to win the hole for birdie. Sila Doy and Andrew are putting for par. Pero nakuha. Bali! Uy! Malaki lang ng konti sa simula.
Pasok! Yes! Nice, birdie.
That was a good putt, clutch putt. Okay, we're now all square. Hole 18, 494 yards, 494 dog leg right. Come on. Game 7. Turn! Okay, fairway yan. Safe yan. Safe yan. Safe yan. Okay. Okay, thank you. I can be aggressive. Good shot. Good shot, brother. Clutch jeans. Ayan, lumabas na.
Yun.
Oh, diba? Masalayo pa yung kay Doy. Gitnang-gitna. Good shot, Doy. Ganda rin. Maganda din. With a club twirl. Wow, layo. Good shot, brother.
Nako.
Doy and Andrew. Second shot. Okay lang yan?
Okay ka na dyan, Doy, o ay, parang mahirap.
Baka stymie.
Layup ko na lang. Layup na.
Sa pinaka-left. Okay yan. Hindi siya stymie. Good shot, brother. Are just playing safe. Mga 130 yards. Diyan sa puno na halos no leaves. Around 130 yards. Ganda. Perfect, Mikey. Parang pwede na. Hindi ko na kailangan tumira eh. 56 na lang ate. Dito ko na medyo isa-shortcut ko na ng konti.
Try mo ano? Try mo mas malapit pa.
Oo, isa-shortcut ko na lang dito. My second shot, 103 yards to the flag. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge. And 56 na lang. Go! Go! Go!
Short.
56 na lang. Ate, 56 na lang. Sobra?
Malawa lang.
Dapat pala 60 nga lang. Okay, ito ay third shot. Short din.
Go.
Short.
Come on.
Uy, Shampi.
Sorry, Doy. Tumayo ako.
Doy and Andrew for birdie. Ganda na ng short game talaga. We have this putt for birdie. 11 paces, mabilis. Left to right side hill. Kulang pa eh. Ang bilis.
Buwan agad.
Ang bilis.
Ay, malakas lang.
We have this putt for par. Uphill. Left edge. Let's go. One putt Mikey. One putt Cass. Nakabig. Nakabig.
Go one up. Left edge ko na yun.
Extend.
Okay. This putt to go one up ulit sila Doy and Andrew. Good putt.
Yes.
Good putt, brother. That was a very silly 3-putt for Mikey and I. Hole number 1, start of the second 9, 384 yards. They are now back to 1 up. Nice shot, Mikey. Both teams nasa kabilang fairway. Dito kami papunta. We need to carry the trees. Ganda rin, kanan. Shoot. 130 yards. Hitting a pitching wedge. Kaya nga eh. Hindi naman action, hindi naman factor yung puno eh. Kaya dito ko. Mauna na, ikaw na. Maganda nga, nakuha nga sa ibabaw. Around the green na yun. Ay, sumabit.
Ang green?
Ha? Patong? Okay.
Okay. Patong din ang green.
Boy and Andrew chipping for birdie. Ganda talaga ang short game. Ganda na short game niya yan. Hindi? 18 paces left to right. Doon daw ang aim. Sakto hinarakan mo ko, hindi ko nakita kung saan.
Buti wala ka sa akin.
Yung kakampi ko ayaw ibigay yung linya eh. For birdie, left to right. Ganda Mikey, mahina lang. Okay, at least in for par. Okay, in for par. Mahina naman. So, both for par. Okay, this would force us to make our putt as well, to stay 1 up. Okay, we have a chance. We have a chance. Hey, to win the hole, to win the hole. Kahit i-firm mo na diretso, Mikey. Good putt. Okay, all square. Woo. We are back to all square. Handicap 1, hole number 2. 389 yards, dog leg right. Okay lang.
Okay lang yan. Ganda.
Stop turning. Ah, okay lang, safe yan. Safe yan. King Mikey's tee shot. Nasa kanan pa, nakarang puno. So, I might hit a 7 iron just to reach that stick.
Nice.
Okay lang, perfect. Good shot, Mikey. Boy and Andrew are going for it.
Nice shot, Doy.
Ganda, Drew. Ang ganda yan. kumaliwa pa. So, nice shot. Ganda. Hindi, para lumabas. Okay, 50 yards to the flag. We need to leave it short. Okay.
Oy, ganda, G. Sakto, G. Sa green ka bumagsak.
Okay naman.
Fringe.
Sobra?
Mababa lang sa pin.
Okay lang. Okay, for birdie. Si Doy, hirap na ito. Sobrang feel shot. Wala, mahirap talaga yan. Feel shot talaga yan eh. Andrew, again for birdie. Yun ang maganda. Baba mo pa.
Wala na, alam ko na kung
Ganyan din tayo sa pat natin ha. Ganyan din tayo sa pat natin. Lumabas pa oh.
wow, grabe.
Lumabas pa.
Parang iniisip ko nga, pot na lang yun.
5 paces. Come on, clutch jeans. May konting tapang, Mike. Hindi sobrang tapang pero may konting kasi may uphill tayo sa simula eh. Okay. Maganda.
Yan. Pasok
Maganda
mo na.
yan. Ipasok mo na. Ay, mabilis na. Tama na. Mark mo na.
Tama na.
Mark. Yan, mark mo na. Bilisan mo. Ayun natin.
Yan. Ayan, sakto na.
Bilis pa rin.
Ah, bilis pa rin.
Ganda, brother. Uy!
Na-pressure pa ako.
Yes!
Tatandaan namin yan. Hindi namin makakalimutan yan. Pinakaban nyo kami. Okay, with that putt, we're back. We're still all square. So hole number 3, 147 yards.
Ay, ako, pero atak ko yan.
GUR. O yun, pumatong. Ay, okay lang. GUR yun, GUR. Naku, ang ganda. Para malakas yung hangin sa taas. Parang short din yata.
Malakas yata.
Short. Mahina.
Mabagal eh. Ba yun? Kanina pa yun ah.
Ganda, Mikey. Maganda. Uy, mabilis ha. Ang bilis pa rin ano?
Yan, stop.
Kulang sa kaliwa. Dito magkakaalaman. Short game. They are putting for par to force me and Mikey to make our putt also for par. Panglima na. Pin out mo na kaya, brother. But to go one up. One up. Come on. Boom! Okay, clutch baby. Okay, one up. Nice par. What a clutch putt by my partner. We are now one up with how many holes left? 6? 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 holes left. So hopefully we can maintain the lead. Okay, going into the 4th. Let's see. Let's go. Okay, hole number 4. 414 yards. Straight. Currently one up. Come on. Stop turning. Delicates. Parang safe. Safe ano? Okay lang. Okay, good. Naku, yun ang sinasabi ko. 4 left. Naku, muntik na. Buti hindi tumama.
Ay, ganda naman yan.
Yun, nagpa sa buno. Okay. Doy and Andrew left with 190 yards.
Luigi to BMW. Doon daw niya nakuha.
Ah, talaga? At least nakuha. Solid yung tama. Kaliwa lang.
Takbo!
Galing naman. Kaya idol talaga eh. Good shot, brother. With 150 yards to the flag. To the pin. Hitting a 9 iron. Come on, partner. Nasa kaliwa na sila ng ano eh, ng green. Before the green.
Ay, sorry.
Saan? 4. Okay lang, brother. I got you.
One.
Go!
Yun mo na. Yun. Oh, stop na. Ay, mover.
Ay, likod. Uy, tama na.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Ang ganda naman nun.
Galing naman. Grabe short game ni Doy. Okay, 15 yards to the flag. Left to right. Come on, partner. Sobrang alalay. Nakuha.
Malakas lang eh. Ayan.
Ang laki.
Good putt, Mikey.
Okay.
To win the hole, to go back to all square. Good par.
Yes.
Okay, all square ulit. Good putt, brother.
Thank you.
So, okay. What a putt. Very bad break for our team. For our third shot, puro bato. So 200 yards to the flag. So we're now all square. Pin is just in front. I'll be hitting a 4 iron. Pero 200 pa rin. Kanan lang.
Okay lang.
4! Sa traktora eh. Nagda-driver sa part. Eh, okay lang oh. Oh, GUR!
Then, GUR.
4!
We are taking my tee shot. 44 yards to the flag. Tirang mga 30, 35 Mikey. Na! 3 points! Malakas lang. Baba. Ate Virgin. Again, to win the hole. For par din kayo dyan, di ba? For par, okay. To win the hole. To go 1 up. Nakakuha. Uy, mahina. Lakas. Okay. Okay, to half the hole. Firm na lang, Mikey, ha, paakyat. Good putt. Half. Okay. Very tight. Game 7. Okay, hole number 6. Par 5, 480 yards. Okay, still all square. No one's giving an inch.
Nice shot, Doy.
Okay, next shot.
Sorry.
Ganda.
Okay, next shot.
Nice shot, brother. Go!
No one's giving an inch. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Mikey. Okay, as long as we're safe, okay, I can be aggressive.
Next shot.
Teams are in the fairway. Course management na to. Ako, Mikey will lay up. Just sa may bridge, Mikey, 95 yards. Tapos ganun din sila Doy. Si Doy will lay up, tapos si Andrew will go for it. Pero to go for the green, it's still 240 yards. Tapos against the wind pa. Bahala na. Kaya dapat safe si Mikey. Yan, perfect. Okay na yan, brother. Good shot. I will go for it. Good shot, Mikey. Boom, baby! Woo! Kaliwa yan. Okay, fairway.
Yan, so
Beside the green, baby.
over the bunker, ha.
Woo! Good shot, Doy. Tawid din! Woo! Nice shot, brother! Good shot! Gumano lang ako para ma-intimidate eh. Wala pa rin eh. Sabi ko, woo! Gumagano na ako. Para ma-intimidate, Good shot, brother. Good shot, good shot. Welcome, brother. Grabe yung laban na to. Both teams chipping for eagle. So kami were 17 yards to the flag. Sila mas malapit pa. What a great shot by Andrew. Okay. Let's go. Malakas.
Uy!
Malakas.
Malakas. Diyan. Ay! Go! Go up! Uy!
Choke! They have this advantage. This is for eagle. To go one up. Mahina. Mga nininervyos na. Mga nininervyos lahat ah. Okay, Andrew to win the hole and for eagle. Ayan na maganda.
Yes!
Good shot, Drew. Nako, mas make tayo, Mikey. Tayo pa na pressure. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pat nyo for birdie yan eh. Okay, putting for birdie. Sila Doy are already in for birdie also. We need this putt. Napitik.
Tsaka parang ay, kumaliwa ka agad. Good. That's good.
What a clutch shot by Doy and Drew. They are now back to 1 up. Missed opportunity. Yun sa chip shot. Okay, hole number 7, 360 yards. Dog leg left. Come on, Luigi. Beauty. Beautiful shot, brother.
Yes! Nice shot, Doy.
Good shot, Doy.
Yes!
Ganda, fairway na fair. Gitnang gitna. Ay, kapit! Bye-bye, ball. We are taking Mikey's tee shot. We're left with 200 yards to the flag. Ay, nag-slice. Pabulong yung form ah. Ayan, bumalik! Ay, wag ka bumalik ulit. 130 yards.
Nice shot, Doy.
Slightly behind pa rin eh. Patong. Okay. Yan ang maganda. Kaliwa lang. Hinangin. Sobra oh. Solid eh. Andrew and Doy for birdie just outside of the green. Inalalayan na. Okay. We might have a chance. Bale. Malakas pa rin. Mabilis pa rin. Laki ng binali pa. Okay na yan. Make up. Patabol nga sabi ni Mikey. Andrew and Doy putting for par.
Ganda, brother.
Side.
Uy!
Ganda. Ayun, okay. Okay. Okay, to win the hole and to go back to all square. Come on, Mikey. Oh, don't make me pat. Mahina.
Yun.
Baby.
Galing.
Pinakaba mo pa ako, Mikey. Let's do this, brother. Friendship is still intact, ha? After, ha? Let's go.
Come on, baby. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
That's too
Good luck, brother. Partner, ingat ka dyan. We're back to all square. What a tight match. Okay, 365 yards, dog leg left. Okay. Pinakabahan ako. Okay, perfect. Okay, good shot. Match, both teams scrambling, no one's giving an inch. Kami, we're left with 111 yards, sila doy siguro mga 150. Both went right off the fairway. Na-scoop bunker sila Andrew. Okay. Behind those trees would be the green. So we are behind, although I don't think the factor naman tong puno sa harap. Pero the distance is 111 yards. So I might hit a choke down 56-degree wedge. Gusto ko na sabihin nakakanan ka naka-aim eh. Doon ka naka-aim. Sumabit. Walang hiya ka, hindi. Sabi ko hindi ito yung factor sa akin, hindi ito.
O kasi. Nice.
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 Baba pa, baba.
Galing. Good shot, Drew. Doy. Ganda yan, Mikey. Maganda yan, Mikey.
Pasok mo na.
Okay. Both teams are putting for par. Keep the match all square. Another lip out.
Yes.
Nakuha. Good putt. Good putt, brother. Woo, Mikey, let's do this, brother. What the?
Yes!
Ano yun, Doy? Sasalita ka talaga bago ako magpata. May side comment eh. Pag nagmintis to, lakas rinig na rinig. Okay, last hole. All square. This is the deciding hole for game 7. This is the best yung hahanapin mo talaga sa game 7. Okay, last hole, hole 9, 518 yards, par 5. Dito na magkakaalaman. Ganda, okay lang, nag-bleed lang. Okay lang. Good shot. Okay lang yan. Basta i-fairway mo lang ako. Both teams, second shot. Sila maganda, nasa fairway sila doy. Kami, we need to punch out. Par 5 naman. Ako na dub. Good out. Perfect. Good shot, brother. Patok-tok. Ganun din. And Andrew's third shot. Malayo pa to. 250. Kanan. Nag-bleed right. Ganda. Gitnang-gitna eh. Patong pa ata. Good shot, Drew. Okay, nasa harap na ng green sila doy. We are left with 200 yards to the flag. Against the wind. Ganda rin. Okay lang yan. Sky short, go! Okay lang, basta around the green na. Okay na yan. Andrew. Fourth shot. 50 yards to the flag. Kami, we're just left off the green. Off the green. Grabe naman yun! What a shot! Nice shot, Doy. Grabe, clutch! Kami yung tira ni Doy! Tignan natin gano'ng kalapit. Ay, gimme range pala! Wow! Grabe, tira mo, Doy. Wala, ipapapat natin para sure na lang. For the win ng Game 7, pangit give. Nice spot. Nice shot, Doy. Let's see what we're made of. Left to right. 20 yards. Game 7 naman. Tsaka wala naman kayo ginib sa amin, Miss Kisa eh. Malakas. Go for the make, for the win.
Ganda rin.
Patabol. Both teams for par. Hindi pa namin napag-uusapan.
Both make it.
Yeah, yun na lang. Whew. Wala pa usapan kung all square ang match. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Mikey. Isang bola sa kaliwa. Na firm, ano? Never short, brother. Nice one, Mikey. Nice one, Mikey. Nice one, Mikey. Honors, brother. It's all up to you. Eh, okay na ito. Walang usapan paano kung mangyari natin sa Game 8.
Game 8. Ano na lang. Akin na.
Or tanggapin na natin na ano, match na hindi. Nice spot, brother. Good round. Good round, brother. Good round. First time all square. Grabe.
Nice game. Grabe yun. Grabe yun.
Shout out sa aming mga caddy. Thank you, thank you.
Mahirap pa yung
Thank
pat na
you.
yun. Ang hirap. Mahirap pa yung pat.
Grabe, we finished all square. Grabe clutch yung parehong no? Chip. What a match. We ended all square. Grabe. Ganda ng laban. So, walang nanalo sa Game 7 namin.